Hi, this is Tim with Marine Diagnostic Tools. Today we're using the TEXA IDC5 software. We're going to be connecting to a 2021 Mercury ProXS 200. So we'll go into the outboard and we'll select Mercury, hit the P on the right hand side. We'll come down here to the 200. This is a bass boat, so it's not going to have the lever and helm control module, but we will go into gas injection. We'll go ahead and select that film strip. You'll see our picture there. That's where we connected to the terminator right there in that green circle. And then it'll tell you what cables we used. Okay, so we'll go ahead and hit confirm. We'll go into the software, see what we got. So this engine shouldn't have anything wrong. It's brand new. I think there's like not even an hour on it, but we'll go ahead and take a look and see what the software has to offer. So the system scan is going to go on for a couple minutes. It's going to ask you to select the cylinder, whether it's an older 6-cylinder or if it's a newer 8 cylinders. We'll go ahead and select that, and then we'll go into the software. Okay, so we're going to go ahead over here to the arrow, and we're going to tap that up button to move it to the 8-cylinder. We'll hit confirm. It's going to scan for a couple more minutes. Okay, so the first page is going to pop up, always on the TEXA default page. So we're waiting on that right now. Okay, so you can see we have no faults on this engine. We'll go over and look at the parameters. You'll see all the parameters listed here. We'll just run through these real quick. Throttle position, injector pulse widths, temperatures, your pressures, your gear shift. We'll go ahead and move that so you can see that move. There's your ignition timing, trim position. You can see the percentage there. Okay, so we'll move on through these. Okay, so we'll select the status. We'll go into the gear position. We'll go ahead and move that in reverse so you can see that. See the software show it. And we'll move it back to neutral. Okay, so we'll just scroll through these real quick, see what's under here. ECU information, there's that listed. Your activations, quite a few activations listed on this engine, so we'll go down and do a couple. We'll go ahead and do the fuel pump. We'll go ahead and confirm. You'll see that voltage move, and then you'll hear that fuel pump activate. So we'll hit confirm, go back out. Probably do the injector test, and then we'll move on to the coil. Okay, so we'll do the injector and hit start. Hit confirm. We're going to go ahead and use the up or down button to select our injector. We'll go ahead and use 1. We'll confirm. You'll see that test status, the percentage will go up. That injector will be making that ticking or buzzing sound while the test is going through. Okay, so you can select another injector if you need to test multiple or different ones. We'll just go ahead and cancel that. We'll move on to the next one. We'll go ahead and do the coil test. Let's start. We'll hit confirm. It's going to ask you how many cylinders are on this engine. Don't use the arrow. It's not going to do anything. You have to use the keypad like the directions show. Go ahead and select 8 and we'll hit confirm. Okay, now it's going to ask you what ignition coil you want to use. We'll go up to 3. Okay, so we'll confirm. Just making sure we want to do that one. And the same thing, the percentage will go up and you'll hear that coil buzzing or ticking. Well, it's gone through. Okay, so you can select another coil if you wanted to, or just cancel it out and go through and show you the rest of these activations that are listed under the TEXA software. Okay, another thing, this little question mark, if you click on that, it's going to tell you about that fuel pump activation. We'll just do that one. I'll tell you what the test is going to do, and then give you a caution so you don't mess anything up. And then your settings are listed there. Okay, so we'll just go run through these real quick. And we'll come down here. You can see the other icons. We'll go into technical documentation, show you what's listed on there. And you can get through it on this way, or you can do it before you selected the gas injection. We'll go back and show you that. So right there on the left-hand side, you have more sheets there, your data and maintenance, your technical specs. We'll get into that. I'm going to show you your cylinders, your combustion order, oil quantity, spark plug, that information there. I'll give you a little diagram. We'll come up here to the maintenance plan. That'll list that stuff out, what you want to do at your 100-hour service and then your 300-hour service. Okay, your timing chain, I'll list that there. And some of this stuff is newer. It wasn't listed before. Texas actually added some of this stuff, so you may not have seen it in the last update, but it's here now in the 15.4 version. Okay, so you see the other stuff there. This is on the 2021 Mercury ProXS 200. This is Tim with Marine Diagnostic Tools. Thanks for watching.